This privacy screen protector from Mamol is another great option for people working in public places where they need their privacy most. Designed for 24-inch screens, this privacy screen protector limits the viewing angle to 30 degrees and can completely black out the screen at 60 degrees. The privacy protector film significantly diminishes the visibility of the screen from the side angles, making it almost impossible to decipher what's on the screen. It's compatible with most well-known brands and has a 16:9 aspect ratio. The installation process is also a breeze. You can use the adhesive strips to attach it directly onto the monitor screen or use the provided slide-mounted tabs. Depending on their preferences, users can either choose a matte finish that will significantly minimize the glare and reflection or a glossy finish for a clearer, brighter viewing experience. The blackout privacy screen filters out 99% of the UV rays and 98% of the blue light. On top of that, it has anti-scratch properties, which adds an extra layer of protection from accidental scuffs and scratches. Best features of this item: 24-inch privacy protector screen, 16:9 aspect ratio, 2 types of installation, reversible, blocks blue light and UV ray. Pros of this item: limits the viewing angle to 30 degrees, reduces glare and reflections, anti-scratch properties. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.